Sup everyone, it's Blake from Jands, and here I have the Shure SM7dB, the brand new dynamic microphone with an inbuilt preamp. And in this video, we're going to see what's in the box. Let's check it out. Okay. Shure logo, caricature of the SM7dB. Let's pull that out. Sticker. Manuals of warranty information. And in here we have the close talk windscreen. Voila! Here we go. That aside, how slick that looks. The SM7dB, and if you look at the back here, we have what we used to pass filter settings, EQ settings, a bypass switch for the built-in preamp, and also the attenuator, plus 18 or plus 28 dB. Okay, so that's what's in the box of the SM7dB. You can purchase these from your authorized Shure reseller. And for more information, head over to our website, jands.com.au.